for
Nsem-Pii will honor more. Now Nsem so it is. Utie now share on my YouTube channel.
Be the first to know Nsem-Pii TV.
Yamama kwa baby mba Nsem-Pii TV platform yi eso. Now, the Criminal Division of the Accra High Court and then now all the attention ewo ambulance saga. Yes, the Attorney General EBPM court anopa. Reporters ne Richard Jakpa di nkomo na ye ne Attorney General on my court. He did kind of reporter Bremo said the Attorney General Godfred Yeboah Dame was represented in court. And court proceedings in Nsem-Pii TV kind courtesy your reporters and the law platform yensaka all the details in commodity e course our court and na ye the more eba bivrem court. This is the Attorney General and Asema Okano court when all the allegations were raised against him. Na Justice Efiase Wasaributwe Ebusa no say Minister for Justice Council Dean Awaka Efasansimu. Now these are the exact words of the learned Honorable Attorney General, or say, the Lord does not delight in the pleasure of the wicked, and that even though they lay traps for me, I will flee from them. The righteous will always prevail over evil. Godfred Yeboah Dame, Attorney General, and a cancer answer your court. So I quote, all I can say is that the Lord does not delight in the pleasure of wickedness. Even though they have laid trials for me, I will flee from them, and my righteousness will always prevail over evil. This is Godfred Yeboah Dame's response to a host of allegations and raising our courts editiano. Nene Justice Efiase Wasaributwe eyade bia chese dwo NDC for mo bonchenku copy on court when na dwo ma no say from yamamotie so masasa all minority MPs akogu court dem honomo former penifo bia no do party nim say atoda zimo ne lawyers beka ho ndo nyina akogu court Marietta Briopon former Attorney General na nka no nim say Justice Efiase Wasaributwe ebe mo kwan amoma be kekansi mu hunu a omkoye press conference no mko gina okekan no. But last week the Court of Appeal judge our no certain trial judge no e make it clear say ono asem e won nim eni wodi ye de ekoso abonti ntie ne omo yi so meka sa no say sit down. I will not allow oral submissions on all 4 applications before me today. Let us say on council be a kwan say on sorry na o wa sem bi ore na no beka oba beka na okoke kansem akwa akotwetwe abontin so sem aba be pia asem a ye ka no court nim. This is what Justice Efiase Wasaributwe and oyeye and also can be say you be allow and say he is only going to rely solely on the written submissions from all parties regarding 4 applications about bedan enemy tiene wa mo bia kwan amobia mfa hurudura na nsem atorosem leak tape hu sensem bia we pimo court wa mekasa o se dia matwe gu krata so na me so me committee mbes ma kokan me kokan ya I will make my own informed judgment and decision. We and the talk of the town leak tape Richard Jakpa and recordo Attorney General almost say onukushia ewo Justice Yoni Kolendi fi so yanti Yoni Kolendi voice room actually on be kan say we dey na Japan Attorney General any din komo our phone so na Jakpa be pio mo court na nko bi anim say Jakpa e ba be tender tape as evidence as affidavit ama court angeli tape no am yakwa kohwehwem enso say de bia ye ka no Bible kra kan say nipa bonini odwane wa bra obi ampamo no obia musa Jakpa hwe Jakpa na say ai tape no oni no lawyer kotena se di nkomo odem a no mo tena se di nkomo odem no lawyer ni no feel say da bi say de ade na say ani de on de osuro on de kokoto an hwe ya no masem na say kra internet ba ya tape no he no man fam kokoto e mu masem mo kan eno ano mo konko kan na Ghana fu bi say Jakpa enti mu nim say wontumi fa di nkonko pi mo kota di enti na last week under cross examination na wo tie mu court Attorney General enya ya you open the Pandora box Now, all tapes upon tapes are over the book our court ho, but release Yamagana for it. And bring it through here in the court of competent jurisdiction. Say Japan and a lawyer, infa tape no kon omusro. Or man to me, I'm presented tape no ever court. Now, this is what Richard Jakpa and his lawyer said. Or say, my lawyer knows the court processes and has his own strategy. Hence, he cannot dictate how the case should be handled. I am not a lawyer. My lawyer knows his strategy and he understands the court processes more than I do. So he is doing what is required of him. He has his own strategy. He told journalists on court after the hearing. And he Richard Jakpa and me amfa tape no ango pimu court. Now we and one of the NDC's lawyers, our Babontin be can cra, omudi na tem di say me catch them. Me catch them. Say moon to me infa tape ngo pimu court. Because court no, yes all the asem koya as evidence ani ajatu. It must be tested based on two things. One, it must be tested based on relevance. How relevant is that tape before the court? And some na modia to justice if you say was no. Near man go for about testify no. Would the tape have any influence? Number one, okay, NDC for di na temo and na Japan lawyer ntimi amfa tape no ango copy mo court. Or sakra biem say it will be tested on the basis of admissibility. Can the tape be admissible? Yajitu me ye na as you budget to mana year. Admissibility rules in nature say there was a subject to proper test and proper investigation. And hope and the forensic audit bebano. Now forensic auditing so the in say NPP amanyokono at the kind at the tape no akwamano and Nsem-Pii we report to the amamo a national organizer and a B at the betuabon team in junior B. Number one, tape no do 9 minutes 18 seconds omutwem go for be kasa no mudi shame. Number two, tape no do 10 minutes 38 seconds also your twem man go for be kasa mudi shame. Number three, almost say you use audio effects on the tape. In Tisani Ema Wintino, you cannot submit the audio evidence based on admissibility or the kwa yenin tum ebe some na to na nhwe ye kura na esabe implicate you because you are lying under oath, which is perjury, a criminal offense when it comes to Ghana. Emra edidi nsem no enti na ugopie mu okotwa ho ha NDC year from last week press conference ahodo, media engagements ahodo, omo filing applications ahodo, supplementary affidavits ahodo ni nyina ankwa nkusiaga ami enko live to the court premises enkomodidi enu gusu a ekoso
all that akoko be di onim adeshin ba na show na and once the matter is before the court and the person becomes right the notion and I say idea level between say men cast a prosecutor and let you come men cast a who see another accused person obi o kan sa check Jakpa say on can record na on find popularity for am
that's all
and that's all they do
so can report or evidence
evidence man got them so evidence obi ama ya ni papa bia tia o na dey evidence
okay
the relevant evidence and your admissible evidence.
Relevant evidence.
The evidence now must be relevant to the issue at stake.
Okay.
That aside, it must be subjected to a test. And that test now must pass the admissibility test.
Admissibility, not just legitimate. Right.
The admissibility test is cardinal to any determination of the case.
Right.
And to some evidence at what point any evidence may be relevant and at what point must I admissible. At the stage now we offer evidence it must pass the two tests, the admissibility test and the relevancy test. You bet me evidence 1 gallon, 10 gallons, 4 gallons at our court. But whether or not relevant to the case for determination is another matter. relevant in what? Does it pass the admissibility test? So, Umejina Bonte, Namu Moja, and Kasi crucial evidence. Any tender evidence man your proper.
Now the TNDC for the two Chinese deal with the third accused person. I'm talking
about the third accused person. What's the Obisek Academy? Yourself, you are accused. Yourself, you are accused. And in our jurisprudence, we're Ghana had. So, minimum could do quarter. Now, a criminal session. You won't tell me only in a year. It is not binding on me. Yes, and so we are not to continue members of the manner. Introduce my tea for me.
Yes, Sawaba.
Me. Menu. Answer me. Ken. And ya charge say. Yakoji Bonnie. Bonnie, your views, you are to be our way.
Right.
And I will say, only in the choir. Then they say, you know, choir she. Arguments now, what you're talking in the choir, and after revelation, and after evidence I've been done in the choir, it doesn't bind me when a criminal session here.
Okay.
Because in criminal law in Ghana, a person is not guilty until proven guilty at the court of competent jurisdiction.
Right.
And that's on one to say. And to say, also in a year, and I say, oath against oath.
Right.
And you just say, the prosecutor must put the case against me that indeed, beyond reasonable doubt.
Okay, Lawyer, I'm just this very simple question that you're calling. Say, Richard Jakpa say Attorney General is yes, all hours. Or sign friend. And Bunny says, indeed, we shall all hour without a lawyer and also a tiamra as in tiamra.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Who the number of God?
Okay.
Let's discuss what the law pretends for everybody, not about an allegation somebody is making.
Right.
My friend or that one. And I'm saying to the other and and I make sure we say in Ghana, granted in Pose, Aguendo, stating I know, stating that without admitting that that is what the Attorney General did. For purposes of argument, we are assuming without admitting. Say, Godfrey, that she understand.
Say the
all and I make sure we say in Ghana. Oh, me know now. And I walk with the company, know the and I'm anything, you know the year. It doesn't bind your what you know. So what you must say, I'm going to question, because the question does not come in.
Okay.
So what you must say, yeah. Listen, me Ken on any now. Who do this and I'm saying me and you now. I am denying what Ken is saying.
It's give me for example, producer in Nasobia Bakwana. Once workers any on nine, it's not binding on you.
They must prove in us beyond reasonable doubt.
Right.
The standard of proof our criminal case is beyond reasonable doubt. The chain must continue to be there without any link being broken.
Okay. Now.
Everything must point to say, I didn't know it is me and me and me alone, and I'm making more. Until and unless that is establishment, you cannot just merely say, you know, now you're not caught up and also know now you're not.
I mean, this is one question at this, what is the reference saying?
Admissibility test.
Admissibility test.
Admissibility.
Okay, test. So, Kobani said, Richard Jakpa, I recorded, let's say, the Attorney General on all the announcing video or the back portals and evidence you already have to.
It's another matter. Recordings in itself, no, must also be subjected to the admissibility test. Where, when, whose voice is there, and who, must go through the test. And then I'm saying the admissibility test. And then my record, in the that must be subjected to test. So indeed, the voice is one and only. Every time probably record they allegedly recorded Ofosuan.
Yeah.
It doesn't know Ofosuan here. Tell the public.
I don't have what he said on record.
He said it is not him. The voice is not his voice. Emma, what they call it, lying in court. But he said it's not my voice, and that was the test of admissibility.
Right.
You know what you buy, and I said, you know, voice we may just push it away.
Okay.
And even recordings of one common. Oko, Ayabu Republic versus Kubaji. Kubaji,
yeah.
The constitutionality and admissibility of recordings have been tested in that Kubaji case, a Supreme Court case.
Right.
And you know, and I also may say, you swore an oath. I know you have already sworn an oath. So that kind of crime. So that kind of one. Papa, I don't want to be a kindness out there. If you have the evidence, bring it. Young uncle, I am proven the idea Egyptian because your section of the evidence decree, and then now we call it evidence act because of the rule for decree to enact.
Right.
Section 6 of it means that the idea of the teaching of evidence must be at the time when you submit evidence not for say you're about the room say a part of the evidence. Now, so we say recording a genuine, bring it at that stage. The lawyers will test it, the judge will weigh it. At the end of assessment and weighing it, or the measures man and then the test on the judge will wait on the evidence.
Jakpa betimi fresh evidence like that and I know
Jakpa, let me confess to you. Is Jakpa still in the box and also a free box? I don't know.
I don't also think so.
I don't know what I heard. You just what I court to say. Damn it there now. Let's take it on that whole box. Let's take it that way. Jakpa that's whole box. If Jakpa is still in the box, the proper place to offer the evidence of very relevant for the case, I saw better now. But you don't just accuse the person without tendering the evidence or in support. And what is even more dangerous, is those people are more than they are not standing trial.
Thank you for Masim. With the Nipana trial now, what court, one swear oath. And
to tender the evidence,
right?
Not subjecting to the test of relevancy and admissibility. Sir, let us say, aggregation now, is it relevant to this case for the determination of this case or an issue of this case? Because issues will be raised whether or not we see an reality, whether or not we see an reality, and that is really determine the relevancy of the evidence that will come back. And then it must also secondly pass the test of admissibility.
Okay.
Other than that, they show our village was on the corner. And just no, in Ghana.
Thank you for on church mulaya. What boy and then we is be a TV rich legal education from your end. You better say, you didn't solve this all the medical.
The rich medical one said, Yemma hot no coin. The mere fact will be a prophecy charges against you that don't mean so identity. In Ghana, constitution is clear. You are not guilty until proven guilty.
Right.
Or you yourself admit that you're guilty. Yes. May you sure say Jakpa I can say you're guilty. And the burden of proof is on the prosecution.
Right.
Prosecution for establishing in the matter. You can't remove one. Only man no any years, no. This is the judge in consider now only the determination on that. It's up to the judge also to consider the prosecution. That may establish a prima facie case. And in that case, what's coming out with the judge will weigh it at the end of the day, weigh the totality of the evidence the prosecution can hear the one why determination say ampa oh would be for Ijawa or baby. What prosecution now meet the threshold of proving the guilt of the accused person. At the end of the day, the judge is to go home. Alternatively, the judge can also determine say prosecution not establishing the case. Now they are the buyers and just voting.
Yes, I see. We are not even interested in the substantive case.
I'm also not interested in the substantive case. I'm just weaving around what will pertain in the courtroom. And the more being
Nsem-Pii TV near